The images you're seeing right now have been created using a tool called FLUX, an AI image generator developed by Black Forest Labs. It's designed to compete with popular tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, and other image generators like Leonardo AI. And honestly, it's pretty impressive. I've been experimenting with it for a while. And if you're in search of a fresh AI image generator, this might be the one worth checking out for yourself. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete tutorial on how to use FLUX from a beginner to an expert. There are several different ways you can start using FLUX, but I'll guide you step by step, beginning with how to get started for free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the most out of this powerful AI image generator. First up, we need to head over to Black Forest Lab AI. Once you're on the site, click on the Get FLUX button, which will bring you to a new page with 3 different models to choose from. Now, the first model is the Pro model. It's their best model available, and also the most expensive, which makes sense given its capabilities. Then, we have the Developer model. This one is also really good. It offers the same quality as the Pro, but lets you do a bit more, like training and other tasks developers might need. Lastly, we have the Schnell model. This stands for fast. It doesn't give the best quality results, but it's super quick when it comes to image generation. For this video, we're going to be using FLUX Pro, and I'll show you how to try it out for free. First, open your browser and type in fluxpro.art. I'm already signed in, but you'll need to sign in using your Gmail. Once you're in, you'll notice that many creators have already generated some stunning, high-quality images. Now, click on the Create button. This will bring you to another page where you can type your prompts. The interface is very beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Below the prompt box, you'll find several customizable settings. When you're setting up your image generation in FLUX, there are a few key options you can tweak to get the best results. First, there's the aspect ratio. This allows you to adjust the dimensions of your image to fit whatever format you're aiming for, like a landscape or portrait mode. Then, we have the safety features. FLUX offers a safety toggle, which you can activate to make sure your generated images meet appropriate guidelines. You can learn more about it by clicking through and reading the details. Next up is steps. This setting influences the level of detail and how the AI refines the image during generation. I don't usually mess with it, but if you're curious, it's something you can play around with. Now, guidance is another helpful feature. It ensures your images stay close to the prompt you've given, so you get results that match your vision. Next, the seed option. This one I typically leave on random because it tends to produce the most varied and interesting outcomes for me. Now remember, since we're using FLUX Pro for free, you get 20 credits every 6 hours. So, you want to be mindful of how many images you're generating at once, or you'll run out of credits quickly. For this demo, I'll leave the number of images set to 1. Each of these settings helps you customize your results, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for your creative process. Now, here's the fun part, typing your prompt. Let's try Donald Trump as a Roman gladiator, close-up shot, hyper-realistic. Then hit generate. After waiting a few seconds, it gave me exactly what I wanted. Let's try another one, lion in a futuristic city, neon colors, hyper-realistic. Again, hit generate. Wow, this is really impressive. It gave me much more than I expected. So, that's how you can use FLUX Pro for free and still generate high-quality images. I highly recommend trying it out yourself to see just how creative you can get. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my next video, Best Free AI Voice Generator for YouTube, 11 Labs Alternative. It's already live, so head over and watch it now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this.